Welcome. We will now see the unpacking and installation of Vitesse 2-option vending machine. Cut the tape softly with a sharp knife. Fold the flaps carefully holding the machine. Pull out the box. Pull out the plastic covering slowly. Pull out the drip tray carefully. Open it. The drainage pipe is packed inside the drain tray. There must be a gap of 4 inches between the machine and the nearest wall. Cut the tie very carefully to get the keys of the machine. Filling premixes in the canisters. Push the canister upwards and then pull out. Open it. Twist the elbow spout upwards to not let the premix get waste. Maximum level of filling premixes. There is a male group in the machine. Female group is on the canister. Please match the groups of machine and canister, male to female. Twist the elbow spout downward after fixing the canister. Switch up the machine after filling the water bottle at the top of the machine. This indicator shows if the machine getting warmed up. When it's off, the machine is ready to be used. Put the cup on the located place. Select your choice. Please do not touch the dispensers, they are extremely hot. Enjoy your drink and have a good day.